Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a store for your game, and each star can be sold depending on different conditions. Let's start with an example we have in public. I assume that you have already created an account in our Balancy.nav dashboard, so you just need to open examples page and clone the project we provide. Yes. Yeah, you just need to wait a couple of seconds, and now the app is ready. You can open it. Now let's publish all the data. So I could show you the demo for your specific game. Here is the templates for all the data we need. And here are the documents we are going to need in our example. I have created 10 different offers. Each offer might have different conditions to be shown or not. And of course it has some items which it provides when you purchase it and the price. Now let me show you the demo again. You can just need to click on play. Okay, the demo is loaded. This is your specific demo, so you don't need to worry, and you can change whatever you want, and it will not affect our main app. Let me give an example. I have this specific offer. You can see it here, and the price is 100 gems. Let's just change the price for something different. Save, and then you also need to push the changes. Okay, it was pushed. Now you just need to refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, the price was changed and now it's not available for purchase because this is more than I have. So live ops are working out of the box, as I was mentioning before. Now let's dive a little deeper. I'll show you how you can make purchases. You don't need to pay actual money for that. Just purchase like this. As you can see, the amount of purchases is increasing. I also have a level for each player. You can change it if you want. This is the amount of currency you currently have. And let me make a couple more purchases and then I'll show you something. Let's go back to store offers. As I was mentioning before, some offers have conditions to be shown. For example, those two offers which are not yet visible for us have a condition that you must make a certain amount of purchase. Minimum purchase is 5. So it means that once you do 5 purchases, you will unlock 2 more offers. And let's see how it works. Okay, I don't need this page anymore. I have 4 already. I'm making 1 more, and voila, new offers appeared as it was predicted. Let's make some more. I have my 10 purchases, but nothing changed yet. Let's take a look at the final offer. It has 2 conditions. You need to make 10 purchases, but you also need to have a level 5 at least. So let's increase the level. Here, it appeared. If your level goes down, it will be hidden. Easy as that. Okay, now let's close the demo. Let's say you want to add some more conditions into your game. You just need to go to template, click on create template. Let's call condition gems count. That will be a condition which requires you to have a certain amount of gems in order to make a purchase. You should inherit it from the condition and create. We also need one parameter, gems. Let's say you need to have 1,000 of gems as a default param. Let's make changes to the biggest offer. you need to have minimum purchase of 10, you need to have a level of 5, and now you will also need to have at least 1,000 gems, like this. We need to save it and deploy it. The example you saw is open sourced, so there will be a link to GitHub attached, or you can download it from the asset store. I already did that, so let's take a look how it works. First, you need to open Tools, Balancy, and replace your with your game ID and public key. Let's find them here in settings. So we have this APK, you just need to click on it. Oops. Public key and the private key. I will remove this app, so I don't worry about sharing this data right now. But as for private key, please keep it private, as it is said in its name. Now we need to generate the code. If you didn't make any changes in your templates, you don't need to generate the code. Just making it clear. Let's see what changed in GitHub. If you remember, I named my template condition gems count, and this is the file which appeared here. So whenever you make any changes like adding or removing a template, or adding or removing a parameter in any template, or changing the parameter type, you always need to generate a new code. This is a very important part, because otherwise the data which is stored in the Balancy will be different from the data that your code expects to receive. Okay, we generated the code. Now, oh, I forgot that you also need to put your data in here. It's just the way how I solve this issue. My scene will be using those game ID and public key to connect to Balancy at runtime. And let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, I have the same data, 101, the price which I changed before. Now I want to clear my account here to start from the beginning. And as we added a new type of condition, we need to write the logic for that. We just need to open condition checker. This is a class available for this example. And here is the list of all the conditions I currently have. So I just need to make a new copy. Condition gems count, and I should rename this file as well. Profile get gems. It should be more than the gems from the condition. Okay. Now as we added new condition, it should start working correctly. But I also need to subscribe to the event when the amount of gems is changing to update all my conditions. Oh, okay, I don't need it because I have already subscribed to the purchase event, and this is only one time when the amount of gems is changing. Okay, I launched the new version, and now I need to make sure I don't overcome all the 1,000 of gems once I get level 5. So I'm making purchases just to spend everything I have, like this. Okay, the first condition was complete. I have 10 purchases. I also have level 5, and as you can see, the offer did not appear. But let's make a purchase like this, and it's working. You can always change the amount of gems required in this specific condition. It's up to you. I just set it to have 1,000. Okay, let's summarize everything. Even if you already have a game, it doesn't really matter where you store all your balance. It could be JSON files, scriptable objects, or Excel spreadsheet. It doesn't matter. If you're not ready to use Balancy and you want to try it as a small example, you can use it for your store, for example. This approach is much more advanced to comparing to any solution you currently have because of its availability and how easy it is to see and read all the offers you have and the conditions when they appear. The best part of those conditions is that you can use it anywhere. You can use it in your quests, tutorials, or any other system your game has, and you don't need to rewrite it again. You just need to define it once, prepare all the templates, and then use it in all the other systems you need. If you have any other further questions, don't hesitate and contact us, please. I'll make sure that we'll make much more examples for you, and the next example will be inventory system. Thank you.